Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title of today's video is What Will Change in Telegram in 2021? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Today's topic, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, today's topic, what will change on Telegram in 2021? Telegram is a messaging app that was invented in 2013 by the Durov brothers, Nikolai and Pavel. I've already made 2 videos about Telegram and I'll put a card to them up above now. And those are entitled How to Use Telegram for New Business, Part 1 and Part 2. So watch those videos and come back here. Right, so Telegram is changing in 2021. This is not my opinion. This is not speculation. This has been confirmed by Pavel, one of the brothers responsible for creating Telegram. And in a few moments, I'm going to insert the statement that is on his channel within the Telegram app, so you can read some of the words for yourself and get reference for it. So after this video, you can go away and read the statement in its entirety. But there are some changes coming ahead. It's marking the growth of Telegram. When I made my first video about Telegram, I think it was the start of, I think it was April 2019. You'll see when you see the upload dates for the videos. Telegram had about 200 million users. It now has over 400 million users. And it has been self-financed because the Durov brothers were the successful founders of a Russian social media site called VK. And that's where they got their money from that helped them launch Telegram. They're making some changes in 2021 and you need to see those and be aware of them. So I'm going to insert the footage from the app and the statement from Pavel on his channel in the Telegram app, and then at the end of this I'll come back and wrap up. Hi there. So just a slight change of plan. I looked at the in-phone footage and that's not really very good from a visual point of view, so I'm using the desktop app to illustrate my point. In case you didn't know, Telegram has a desktop app for iOS and for Windows. That's what I'm using now. The question I'm answering with this footage is what will change on Telegram in 2021? It's a very significant change, and that's that Telegram will monetize. Thus far, it's not been monetized. It's reached over 400 million followers, users of the app, and it's not yet been monetized. They will monetize by introducing the new features for business and power users. An example of that will be the new ad platform, which will be available for large public one-to-many channels to buy from. So they will buy ad space from the in-house platform within Telegram. There are no sort of visual images of that yet. Also, it's worth pointing out that existing free users who make use of the one-to-one messaging and secret chats and so on, they'll still be able to access all existing features for no charge. It's the new features such as the ad platform that will cost businesses and power users. It's quite similar to the way that Zoom obviously grew massively during 2020, how they expanded their revenue by targeting new features and benefits and pricing plans for business users rather than the free users. So that's going to change. It's going to be monetized. Existing features, existing messaging functionality will be protected and will not cost you any money as a free user. So that's good. Obviously, they're looking to grow. They're approaching 500 million users, and the target of 1 billion is in sight. The Durov's channel on Telegram, it's 447,000 subscribers. It's going up 1,000 or 2,000 each day. So if you're on Telegram and you don't already follow this channel, I think you should follow the channel. And it looks like there's going to be massive growth and innovation during 2021 for Telegram. So those people that watch my videos in 2019 and early 2020 about how to use Telegram for new business, part 1 and part 2, they will be ahead of the game. And I think that if you're just seeing this now, take time to sign up to Telegram and start understanding the functionality and the features that are available to you, because it is a great tool. and it will be a social media network and platform that has much higher security than existing centralized social media platforms. Also, an affirmation here from the founders: Telegram is here to stay for a long time, and they also talk about the independence, but you can read all of that yourself. Okay, I'm going to close this footage now and go back to the camera view so that I can wrap up. Now that you've seen the in-app footage, what are your thoughts about Telegram? For me, it seems to be that it's growing at a very fast rate, and they'll meet. I think they'll meet the internal goals of 1 billion users within the next year or two, definitely. So if you're not active on Telegram, I think you should be active and start to, before you become active, as I mentioned in one of the other videos, make sure that you have a cohesive content strategy. And whether that's around creating your own group or using a channel to broadcast your messaging, make sure you know what you're doing before you start on the platform, but then use it to its advantage. It's still, I mentioned this in one of my earlier videos, it's still a relatively early stage for Telegram. It's not universal yet. Everybody is not using it, so there's an opportunity there for people to develop their business. I always look at these apps and these platforms from a B2B perspective and from a business perspective. So there is the opportunity there for you to maximize new client acquisition, new contacts, new relationships, new partnerships, and also to deliver value through the app rather than just obviously going on there to acquire clients. Hope this video has been useful to you. It's my third Telegram video. It's been much requested because I've had a lot of traction from my previous videos. Thank you very much for that traction. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the subscriptions as well. I look forward to speaking to you in the next video. If you've liked this video, give me a like. Click on one of the two screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.